In today's video, I'll show you how to change what program startup on startup. So to change it, what you have to do is just go ahead and type in settings over here. From here, just go inside apps, then just go to startup apps. You'll find a list of apps over here. But if there's any app that you don't find here, what you have to do is to add it is just go ahead and search for that app. Right click on it and click on open file location. Then it's going to show you where that app is. And in the meanwhile, just go ahead and click on start, right click on it and click on run. In here, type shell, semicolon, then startup. Then just click on OK. It's gonna open up another folder over here. Now let's say I don't have VLC Media Player in the startup folder. What I'll do is just right click on it, click on copy, close it, and just paste it in the startup folder. And the next time I just go to settings, and then just go to apps and then just go to startup apps, I'll see that VLC Media Player is over here and I can turn it on or turn it off however I like. And basically that is how to change what programs start up on your Windows startup. And basically that is how to change what programs start up on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.